Right, start again. Right, welcome once again. A little tip for you, okay? Now, I've been trying to join the Amazon affiliate thing, yeah? Now, when I got down, it asked me for a BIC, B-I-C, and an IBAN, I-B-A-N, IBAN, an IBAN number. Now, I didn't know what they were, so I went to my bank, and as you can see, their numbers in the pink that you can't see because I've highlighted it out. I'm going to explain that in a minute. Now, those are the numbers you're going to need. Now, the reason for highlighting it out is because I don't want you to copy off my numbers and put your money into my account. Not that I wouldn't be grateful, but I don't think it's fair. I like to play fair. So what I'm going to do now, I've done the video, I'm trying to edit, but it's just been a nightmare, and I've got guests coming, so I've got to move forward. So I'm just going to put this up now. So before I go, if you go online and put into your bank details and everything, and you go into your statement, you may find these numbers. This is how I found them. Anyway, gotta go. Things to do, people to see. And you know, I go already. Laters, people. Look after yourself and each other. Yeah, good luck.